Section 6.4 in your books is the midsection theorem, or the mid-segment theorem, 6.4 triangle mid-segment theorem. This section is kind of easy peasy, just a couple concepts to talk about and then just a bunch of work to do to practice it. You have to really understand what this theorem is to be able to do the problems, and it's not hard. You just have to look at it and then put your mind to it. Anyway, so top of 330, using the mid segment of a triangle. So a mid segment of a triangle is a segment that connects the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, and every triangle has three mid-segments. Okay, so if we take the midpoint of each side of a triangle and we connect them, then we have the mid-segments of a triangle. So let's take a look at the chalkboard made of lead. So basically what he is telling us is at the top of page 331, he's got a triangle. Looks like this. And he labels it A, B, C. And he tells us that the triangle has, if we connect the mid-segment of each side of the triangle, about like that, and we label these like he did, M, P, and N. This is the figure at the top of 330. That all three of these, each of these are mid-segments, meaning that we divided this triangle up into a sort of a new triangle that's contained within the first triangle. And he tells us that on the top of page 331, theorem 3.8, the segment connecting the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half as long as that side. So if we look at the side AC, the midsegment MP is parallel. So MP is parallel to AC. And then the measurement of MP equals AC over 2. So if we know the measurement of MP, so for instance, if MP is equal to 10 inches, then AC is equal to 20 inches. So if MP equals 10, AC equals 20. That's what theorem 6.8 means. And also, like I said, AP is parallel to AC. Take the segment PN. PN is 1/2 AB. Because PN is the midsegment of AP, so therefore it's half AB, and the third side is the same deal. So again, if you take a look at example 2, he provides a proof that I'm not going to go through and I'm not going to require you to memorize. Um, the problems that I'm going to give you are going to be exercises on page 333. So that's going to be your homework for tonight. But before you get there, I have a handout for you. So I'm going to hand out, or whoever's there helping you out, is going to hand out a sheet of paper that's got 3 problems on there. So what I'd like you to do is go through those 3 problems, and I'd like you to do them. You can do them on a separate sheet of paper, except for the construction. So the third problem is a construction, but the other 2 are math problems. So you have to use the uh, the diagram on the top of page 330 to understand what sides are equal, right? So that's going to be important. And then if you look at, again, the theorem 6.8, it's got an equation for the length of the sides. Those 2 pieces of information are all you need to do the 3 problems on the handout and then do the homework problems. So the homework, let's see, do we have the homework up here? The homework is, yes, page 333, 4, 8, 17, and 18. So for the rest of this period, that's really all the content of this section. It's very easy. 6.5 is going to be the same thing. We're going to do that in the second period. But what I want you to do now is just do the handout. And then when you're finished with the handout, you can start this homework. And then starting the second period, we'll look at 6.5. And that will finish up chapter 6 for us.